If you're looking for the best medical insurance for senior citizens in 2026, my top recommendation is Medicare Supplement Insurance, also known as Medigap, and in this video, I'll explain exactly why. Because honestly, when people reach retirement age, their healthcare needs often become more important than ever. Regular doctor visits, specialist appointments, prescription medications, hospital stays, and unexpected medical expenses can quickly become very expensive. That's why choosing the right health insurance is so important. Now let's talk about why Medigap is my top recommendation. Medigap plans are designed to work alongside original Medicare, helping cover many of the out-of-pocket costs that Medicare doesn't fully pay. Depending on the plan, this can include co-payments, co-insurance, hospital expenses, and other healthcare costs. One of the biggest advantages is predictability. Many seniors prefer knowing that they have additional protection against large medical bills instead of facing unexpected expenses. Later, another major benefit is freedom of choice. With many Medigap plans, you can visit any doctor or hospital in the United States that accepts Medicare without worrying about restrictive provider networks. This flexibility is especially valuable for seniors who travel in different states throughout the year or simply want access to a wider range of healthcare providers. Now let's be realistic. Medigap plans usually require a monthly premium in addition to your Medicare costs, but many seniors find the additional expense worthwhile because it can significantly reduce their out-of-pocket healthcare expenses over time. Another reason Medigap stands out is long-term peace of mind. Healthcare costs can become unpredictable as we age, and having supplemental coverage can help provide financial stability when major medical needs arise. Now, if you're comparing insurance options, it's important to understand that there is no single plan that is perfect for everyone. The best choice depends on your health needs, your budget, your location, and the type of coverage you're looking for. However, for many senior citizens, Medicare, combined with a quality Medigap plan, provides one of the strongest overall healthcare solutions available in 2026 because it offers flexibility, broad provider access, and additional financial protection. So to summarize, if you're searching for the best medical insurance for senior citizens, Medicare Supplement Insurance or Medigapis, one of the strongest options available thanks to its comprehensive coverage, freedom to choose providers, and protection from unexpected healthcare expenses. Because honestly, the best health insurance isn't just about saving money. It's about having confidence that you'll receive the care you need when you need it most.